Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add watermark in Google Docs. So first thing, open up your Google document you want to protect. Open the insert menu here at the top toolbar. So insert. Now select from here the so if you don't find it right here in the insert drop down menu, the watermark button. What we can do here now is type out of this, and now you will see here at the top left this menu search. So what we can do, type in watermark, it will show up here, click on it, and now at the right side it will appear these settings over here. Now what you can do here, you can select image or you can select text. So let's go with the text, but for the image what you will need to do is click on it, and now you will need to find it somewhere here, let's say like that, and insert. All right, now you have scale here, auto to 100%, or you can adjust that. Faded, more image option you have here, you can play with the opacity, brightness, and contrast. All right, now what we can do, so this is one way of the watermark. All right, did I close again? Okay, now for the text we have here another option. So text, insert text, let's say watermark, like that, as you can see here. Now I will change the color here that we can see it much better. I can change here the text. So let's say something like that. It can be, so we can play uh, with the font. We can also select diagonally behind the text, from the text. Let's say something like that. And when you are done with that, just click done. And now we have watermark on our document. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can add watermark. Now how you can remove it, also click here on the watermark, and then you will see down here remove watermark, and just like that you have removed the watermark. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.